We're going to Osaka, Japan, then Tokyo. We just passed through security and stuff, and we had to take off our shoes. So that was new. Our flight is at 1 a.m. It's right there. Ingy said that we feel like we're plants. Copyright. We made it to Osaka. So we just made it past immigration and custom. Such an easy process with the Just Visit Japan web. It's the QR code that they provide you, and you just scan in, scan your face, and you're all done. That's so easy. Right now, Diana is exchanging her Canadian dollars into yens, and I will get my cash through a 7-Eleven ATM machine. Baby, we did it! Guys, we're in Osaka! It's so hot! Hi vlog! We just stored our luggage with the self-storage feature. We're just looking for a wired lock, so we're gonna head to Lawson first, and my god, we are sweating.
Shiny forehead.
Currently at a Daiso to hopefully find one wire lock so our stuff will not get stolen. Guys, are you proud of us? We only bought the wire lock, nothing else at Daiso. 7-Eleven is coming in clutch today, so our wire lock had zip ties. We don't have scissors. So I went to one cafe and I went, kato. But they didn't have kato. So we're like, let's try the 7-Eleven. Thank God they had scissors. Now we're gonna have sushi! Conveyor belt sushi! Going to eat at sushiro! Hee. But then we're gonna explore this place, cause what? Oh my god, we got it! Order on the tablet. Oh my god! Wow! The color is insane. Scallop? Wow! Guys, round 2. The colors are so beautiful. Final round. Scallop and I forget. That one. We're so frugal, but we can't be. Can you feed me one? Oh no, oh, you just any balls, any balls.
There.
It's so soft. Oh my god. That's so good. That's so refreshing.
What?
I recommend this, guys. There's 2 different grape balls. Green and purple. Try your coolish. What is it?
Just straight up vanilla ice cream.
Oh, crystallized ice cream. Our first dessert of the day. We're at a Femi Mart. I'm gonna pick this up because my head's not doing so well and the Advil's not really working. Cheers! Ooh! But also, ooh. It tastes like, as they call it, peach and grapefruit, but it has a very medicinal taste at the very end. Wow! This is so pretty. It's already the crab. Oh! We're walking on the streets in Japan. Onigiri, taco. Ooh, ah, what it is good for? Absolutely nothing. Strawberry. Are you guys seeing this right now? Why is Japan so cool? Dragon. More crab. Tempura? Whoa! The takoyaki or taco. Wow! What? Oh my god! There's so many takoyaki places. You can see the sign at the very back. We got a takoyaki. Ooh. Hihi. Ah. Try it. Okay. That's good. What? Where are we? Hello, I'm from Japan. Oh my god! We're gonna see what a Japanese grocery store looks like. Soft ice cream liqueur. I just like the packaging of this one. Oh my god, it looks so good. And my water baby. Second day, 7-Eleven home. I like it.
Takes like 10 minutes.
The torii gate. My legs, they're feeling the slope. But I see the castle peeking through. There she is. Oh my god. There she is without any trees. And that is a museum gift shop store, which we'll go there soon. Yeah, souvenir shop? No, more like anime shop? Oh my god, these are so cute. Oh my god. And Yi said that they wave too much so that they're so strong on one of the arms. I love these. Cute. Look at that. I'm gonna go get this one. This is a samurai store. What? We made it to this shopping street. I can't pronounce it, but very much where the locals go to shop. Oh yeah. Right now, we are at Lucua, Osaka Mall, our first shopping mall of the day. You want to pretend to hold it? Yes. This is Lucua, Osaka Mall. It is beautiful. No success with buying stuff at... Oh wait, yes you did. She bought something from Uniqlo. I bought zero. But we are gonna buy food at the basement level. We're just trying to figure out.
Oh, it is real chocolate.
It's real chocolate.
I said, is this real chocolate?
Wait, that's real. It does look very good. Oh, I wonder how expensive that is. It looks like ramen. We got this one. Deluxe noodles. We made it to the second mall, shinsaibashi, Parko. And it also has another attachment to it. So, but I think we're just sticking to Parko because the other side looks more luxurious. Kittyland. I'm happy. Big Totoro. Wow. Chikawa, Milakuma, Potmar, all in one corner. It's so cute. Luffy. Pokemon Center. Wow. Our first time using the vending machine. Oh! Instant. Tada! We found the glico man! Yay! Still